Thanks for joining me for this short scale study. Today, we're going to build our tone and our technique in concert G minor. So, before we begin, I want to remind you that concert G minor is related to concert B flat major. They share some of the same notes, B flat and E flat in particular. But there's one new note in concert G minor's number 1 in the harmonic minor scale that I want to call attention to. It's F sharp. We'll need that F sharp when we play our concert G minor, harmonic minor scale, and arpeggio. Here we go. Metronome set to 70 beats per minute. Let's get started. Quarter notes. And 1, 2, ready, and. Now let's see if we can do the G minor harmonic scale, minor scale and arpeggio in eighth notes. Remember, you need the E flat and the F sharp. 1, 2, B flat 2. If you made a mistake, rewind back and try number 1 and number 2 again. It won't hurt. It'll actually make you a better player because we're practicing for perfection. Accuracy equals success. Let's move on to our minor chords etude. 1, 2, ready. Next, a pattern of thirds. Not too hard. Let's dive right in. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Well done. Did you do it in 4 measure phrases? Go back and try that again. See if you can do it in 4 measure phrases. We're going to move on now to our chromatic pivot scale. The pivot note for this scale is D. What other notes will we need? Well, the second note is C sharp, which is our pinky only D flat. We'll need C natural and B natural. We'll need B flat, A natural. Oh, we'll need our G sharp fingering for this one. Remember, G sharp is the same as A flat. And then we'll finish on the G natural. 1, 2, ready, and. Next, the chromatic scale. Can you do it without needing the fingering chart at the back? If you can, great. If you need a fingering chart, there's one at the back of this series. Make sure you check it out and find the fingerings that are helpful for you. 1, 2, ready. I found that my flutists often get A sharp, which is B flat. They get that fingering confused. And I've also found that D sharp is confusing as well. It's just E flat. Let's finish with our chorale study. 1, 2, ready? So there you go, concert G minor. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you'll play through this scale study again. Remember, you can play through this scale study at other metronome markings. You just won't be able to play along to this video. Try playing it at 80 beats per minute or 90 beats per minute. Or if you're just starting out and this was too fast for you, try doing this whole scale study with 60 beats per minute on your metronome. Remember, like I said earlier, we're looking for accuracy because accuracy means success. So, as I always say, join me again for another scale study video very soon and keep practicing.